Okay, I kind of want to wrap up Module 5 just by talking about the George Floyd incident, the George Floyd case, the case against the 4 police officers involved in the death of George Floyd. This has, of course, received not just national but international attention. I've included, I've updated because of the importance and sort of historical gravity of this incident, I've updated my homepage of the course, as you've seen. Those of you who are enrolled in my course, to reflect sort of the latest news, things that are going on around this case. What's interesting is that the Officer Chauvin, right, the one who has his knee on Floyd's neck, leading to Floyd's death, right, he's been accused of second-degree murder, really serious charges, right? The other 3 officers, they've been charged with aiding and abetting. Now, there's something also called the felony murder rule, that if you participate with other individuals in the commission of a felony, or you yourself just commit a felony on your own, and somebody dies, this idea is that you could be charged with felony murder. In this case, the prosecutors have gone with an aiding and abetting charge. And the idea here, though, that's really important is that aiding and abetting requires intentionality. So if you accidentally or unknowingly help somebody commit a crime, let's say you sell to somebody a ski mask and later that person uses the ski mask to rob a bank, but you didn't know legitimately, you're just a clerk, you didn't know they were going to use a ski mask to sell, to rob a bank, you're not going to be accused of aiding and abetting. But if you sell someone or provide somebody a ski mask, knowing or helping, knowingly or intentionally wanting to help somebody commit a crime with that ski mask, rob a bank, then there you can be charged with aiding and abetting. And I have to tell you, this is why we have juries, right? Intentionality is a question of fact. What were the other 3 officers intending? And I don't, I'm not God. I can't answer that question. But I can tell you, if I were a defense lawyer, I would start making, you can see the kind of arguments you're going to try to make that there was not an intentional aiding and abetting. Of course, if you're the prosecutor, if you're the state, you're going to argue that the actions there of standing by, doing nothing, had the effect and perhaps shows the intent. This is really interesting, right? Because intent is one of the most difficult questions in both the common law and legal law generally, and also in theories of morality. What do people intend? How is intent important to right or wrong? And that's going to be a nice transition to week 6, module 6, where I talk about morality and business ethics and natural law and animal rights. We'll have a lot to talk about in that module. But for now, let's wrap up. We've done a lot. Thank you for paying attention to the videos, and I hope you enjoyed listening to Sidja. And I'll see you in a week. God bless and charge on.